What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to try out sublimating a personal picture onto a puzzle. I got both of these off Etsy, so I have a picture right here. My girl likes jigsaw puzzles. I've been trying out with sublimation, so it's just something I want to try. It has nothing to do with t-shirts, just a little different today what I'm going to do. But I've never done this before, so it's going to be my first time. So I'm going to show you guys the process I'm going to do on the heat press on how to sublimate this picture onto the puzzle. So I'm gonna get right into it. Okay, so I have my heat press, it's heated up. I put it at 395 for 45 seconds is what I'm gonna do this at. I'm doing a light pressure, I'm not gonna do a heavy pressure. So the way I got the picture done, I sent it in the sizes I needed and everything. It's a little bit off, but that's okay because I'm just doing this as a test, so this is just me testing out. I got my puzzle right here. They give you a little cardboard piece. You put on, putting a piece of Teflon sheet down. I'm gonna put it right in the center. I also got the high temp heat tape. So I can tape it on here so it's not moving around on me. I have this at 395 for 45 seconds. So I'm just gonna line my piece up. Like I said, I never did this. This has nothing to do with t-shirt stuff. I'm just trying something a little bit different. I've been trying to get into the sublimating. Let me actually bring this over here so I can tape it down. The high temp heat tape, you can get that on Amazon. Just want to line this up real quick. Nothing crazy, it's just a test. Leaving that cardboard background so it doesn't fall apart. I'm gonna put my butcher paper on top of this so it doesn't bleed onto the press. Same thing, I gotta roll this for 15 bucks on Amazon. Let's see what happens. I'll let it cool down after we're done. Right. Slight pressure. I didn't put heavy pressure on this. And I'm letting it go for 45 seconds. So I'll speed this up in the video so you guys don't have to sit through the whole thing. So I'm gonna let it chill out for a minute. I'll bring the camera over here. Still really hot, so just be careful when you're taking it off. Shit. Damn, that's not good. This is looks like semi-gloss puzzle they sent me. Actually, it's really bright. There you go. Like I said, they gave it on the thing, on the little cardboard backer so it could stay together. Alright guys, that's it. Like I said, next time I'll get a bigger picture to fill the whole thing, but that's how you sublimate onto a puzzle. So if you want to do gifts for your family, you know, Christmas, anything like that, this is a perfect little gift. It was inexpensive. I think the puzzle cost me $3, and then I believe the sublimation, if you have your own printer, you're gonna save a ton of money. I think the sublimation was only like $5 too. So that was just a little step-by-step on how to sublimate onto a puzzle. So I know it wasn't about anything with t-shirts, but I have a lot more videos coming in the future with the t-shirt stuff. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.